Every glass of milk started this morning, on a farm not far from here. This plant processes hundreds of thousands of liters of fresh milk every single day.
Let me show you exactly how milk goes from the farm to your fridge.
It all begins here, on a farm where the cows graze freely. Twice a day, the cows are milked using gentle, automated equipment. The milk is chilled immediately, right here on the farm. From here, it travels straight to the processing plant, kept cold the entire way. Within hours, the milk arrives fresh at the factory. Every tanker is connected directly into the plant's intake system. Before a single drop enters the plant, it's tested and verified. Freshness, temperature, and quality are checked on every single tanker. A first filter removes anything that shouldn't be there. A spinning clarifier makes the milk perfectly clean. What's left is pure, clean milk, ready for the next step. Now the milk is separated into cream and skim milk. Spinning at incredible speed splits the milk by density. This lets us control exactly how much fat goes back into the final product.
The right amount of cream is blended back in to hit the exact fat percentage needed.
Next, the milk passes through extremely high pressure. This breaks the fat into tiny particles, so the cream never separates and rises to the top. This is why the milk you pour stays smooth and consistent, top to bottom. Now the milk is heated briefly to make it completely safe to drink. A quick blast of heat eliminates any harmful bacteria. Just as quickly, it's cooled right back down to protect its fresh taste. Every cycle is logged to guarantee it was done exactly right. Every batch is tested in the lab before it's approved. Fat, protein, and purity levels have to meet an exact standard. Only milk that passes every test moves on to packaging. Approved milk rests here until it's needed for packaging. Every tank is monitored constantly to keep the milk perfectly cold.
Meanwhile, the cartons themselves are being formed nearby.
Each carton is sealed and shaped in just seconds. Now they're ready to be filled with fresh milk. Filling happens inside a completely sealed, sterile environment. Each carton is filled to the exact same level every single time. Row after row, every carton holds the same quality of milk. A precise fold and seal locks in the freshness completely. A sensor checks every single seal before it moves forward. This tiny code traces the carton back to the exact farm it came from.
Now it looks just like the carton you'd recognize on the shelf.
One last check before it's ready to ship. Individual cartons are grouped together into multipacks. A tight wrap keeps the multipack secure for the journey ahead. Now it's ready to be boxed for shipping. The multipacks are boxed together for shipping. Sealed tight, ready to survive the trip to the store. Stacked and wrapped, ready for cold storage. From here, it's kept cold every step of the way to a store shelf near you. After every step, this is the result. Intent, a glass of milk you can trust. From the farm to this glass, Enutza. That's how fresh milk is made.